Okay, go ahead.
See it? Boom. I don't like Excuse me, I don't like that tone of voice.
Oh my god, he's like... He's like...
Oh my god! Diego! Oh my god. Don't bite it. What the fuck?
Oh snap.
What are you doing? What do you think you're doing? Back up. Back up. What are you doing? Back up. Go on the bed. Go on the bed. Excuse me. I don't like that tone of voice. He's lower.
Are you using a tone with me?
Oh, he's biting the door. Stop! Back up. Back up. Back up. Yeah, that's right. Move out. That's right. Move out.
He looks like a part of the door.
Doesn't he?
Yeah.
Take a picture of him.
What?
Back up.
It looks wicked funny. He looks just like a little head in the door.
Shit. Ew. He sneezed on me. Bet you can't get up here. Move out.
His head looks stuck.
Move out. Ah, shit.
Oh, so
Move
nice.
out. Oh my god. Let.
He's not gonna be able to get it through. Go ahead, let him try to get it through.
No, he gets up there. Believe me.
Yeah, he probably will.
Help me.
He's gonna jump.
Don't. Don't bite that.
He's biting.
He does it when he wants to come in. He's annoying. We should do part 1 and part 2, so like stop when it gets to 2:30.
Oh, it's like 15 seconds.
Only 15?
Do it.